distinguished dignitaries on the days, off the days, students, ladies and gentlemen. After your star batsmen perform well, nobody expects the last batsman to score any runs. But as I stand here to propose the vote of thanks, I am conscious of the fact that those who have worked to make this function a grand success has a legitimate expectation that I will thank them, but the audience has a legitimate expectation that I will return back to my seat without speaking much. I will get my share of vote of thanks if I manage to balance both the expectations properly. I begin with thanking our main speaker, His Lordship Justice Bharat Deshpande. His Lordship said that it was his mother who inspired him to be a lawyer. I take this occasion to thank His Lordship's mother, without whose intervention His Lordship would not be here today. So your vast knowledge on the topic is well known. I thank you for your efforts in condensing this knowledge for a few 20 or 30 minutes. It is indeed an achievement. I thank Advocate Parijit Pandeyji, my senior colleague in the law profession and chairman of the Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. Your presence has graced this occasion well. Sir, I do hope that it will not be the stop of a journey. We hope that it's going to be a start of a long partnership between Karya Law College and the Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa. I am tempted to thank my president, but his philosophy in life is one board member should neither appreciate nor thank the other board member. We should only work in silence. I thank you anyway, sir. Your philosophy has helped me to curtail my vote of thanks. I thank the principal and my wife for leading the team, once again organizing such a beautiful function. On a lighter note, I would like to say, whenever Nitin and I ask about the college, they complain about a strict principal. They ask us, do you have any solution for a strict principal? I smile, I think for myself, I say, last 15 years, I've had a strict wife at home. If you have a solution, please let me know as well. In fact, on the same lighter note, Nitin and I don't have a problem if the principal is strict, provided the college performs well. You can continue to be strict in college, but spare us at home. I thank our media partner, Rupesh Sawant. He has brought a new level to this GRK-Judiciary Talks. We are now at a national level thanks to his efforts. Keep up your efforts. Let us also be seen at international level. Without taking any further names, I thank each and every one of you, the dignitaries here who have made their presence here. Once again, thank you. God bless you all.
तुम्ही पळतात GNH.